So what we'll do is, if we can't find the actual leak now, is we'll just chuck some of that leak stop in there for now, just to get me by until if we need a new rack, then we'll get one.
Leak stop or stop leak?
Stop leak. Leak. Is it? I don't know, whatever. Anyway, so there's like a little UJ thing under here. How was that?
What the hell? No.
What is? It's a chocolate bar.
What? Is that Japanese?
Choco bar Japan.
How long has that been in there? I've just stepped in something. How long has that been in there?
Well, I don't even know when this was brought over, like 10 years ago. Same happy for children. Same happy for children.
Oh, hang on, let me focus. Same happy for children.
Whatever that means. Should I eat it?
Choco Bar Japan.
It's quite good condition.
Where the hell was that?
It was like, you know the... Right, chucks the phone. It was down. Can you see? How do I turn the flash on? So I was trying to move this to see if that was wet. And it was like up. It came from up here somewhere.
What's the falling down through the top?
Maybe it was in here or something. Maybe they've like put it. Maybe it's slidden in. Slidden in.
Sledding on.
Maybe it's slidden in. There you go.
Let's have a look. What do you reckon they are? Nuts or something?
I don't know.
That is weird.
It's still really shiny.
Excuse my manky finger where I hit it with a hammer.
Hammer hitter. How weird.
That is fully Japanese as well. Yura Kushika.
What's all that mean?
Well, it's got a peanut on it, I think.
Oh yeah.
Or a very...
Can't say that! That is so weird. Let me see the front.
Can I not say the flavour?
No, let's keep that out of it. Wait, turn it over. Choco Bar Japan.
Just hide the manky finger.
Oh, it's number one. Where's my finger? There it is.
Number one Japan.
Reg, I'm going to eat it. I'm going to have to eat it.
You're going to try it?
Shall I? Do you tell me?
You brave man of me.
It's probably really... What if I like... get some sort of illness?
You probably will.
Does chocolate go out of date? It probably does. Oh, it's really like... Yeah, it's been sat here a while.
It sounds brittle.
Oh, it smells delicious. Smell that.
Oh.
Do you want some?
It smells like Japanese chocolate.
Oh, it's all like gone...
It smells like the chocolate you get out of
Bongos.
one of those like advent calendars.
It does actually, yeah, like cheap. Look, all the inside's gone like hard. Okay, it looks...
I'm going for it.
Just for the thumbnail. Do you dare me?
Well, it looks edible. It's not gone all white and... Oh, well, there we go. That sounded softer than I was expecting.
That's weird. That's quite nice. It's like got Oreo in it or something. You want to try it?
No.
I don't really want to eat anymore.
I'd love to know what the ingredients were on it, but I am not fluent in Japanese.
Are you not?
No, surprisingly not.
It's got all of that in it.
It's got a small house.
It's got some calories.
It's got a small house next to a tree.
It's got a really weird aftertaste.
Does it? Probably, probably a bit of sushi with a little bit of seaweed. They'd have all that stuff.
That's weird. Sushi chocolate bar.
Ugh. Number one,
Oh.
Japan.
Oh, I regret this.
That was a particularly old chocolate bar that you've just found. Potentially.
Oh, it's really dry. It tastes like one of those protein bars, you know, it's like powdery.
Yeah.
Oh. Well, that was fun. Should we,
Oh dear.
I might go and get a drink and then maybe puke and then go and...
Well, you should probably check your vitals every sort of half hour.
What should I do with that? I'm going to have to frame that. Maybe if I put it in a laminator and then... Oh, we could make like an air freshener or something. Like laminate that and then
Maybe
hang
we
it.
could sellotape it to your grave or something.
If I make it.
If you make it.
Is that a 7? I don't know.
You mean
Right.
when you cough it?
Should we crack on with this steering thing?
Yeah.
I wonder if there's anything else in this.
Sidetrack from that.
There's a lot of dodgy cabling, mainly by me.
If that was number one chocolate bar in Japan, I dread to think what number two was like.
It tasted like a number 2. Right. I'm going to have to make this a separate video now just for that. So thanks for watching. Subscribe below.